Taiwan's Ministry of National Defense publicly confirmed through its official X, formerly Twitter, account the first successful live-fire exercise of the domestically produced Land Sword 2 surface-to-air missile system. This test marks a significant milestone in Taiwan's ongoing push toward greater self-sufficiency in defense technology and its commitment to counter growing airborne threats from the People's Republic of China. The missile's debut, highlighted by a precise launch carried out by the Taiwanese Army, emphasizes both its operational effectiveness and the island's resolve to maintain readiness in an increasingly volatile regional environment. The Land Sword 2 stands as a symbol of Taiwan's dedication to modernizing its military capabilities in the face of persistent geopolitical pressure. The system itself is the product of extensive development led by the National Chung-Shan Institute of Science and Technology, NCSIST. Building on the legacy of the Sky Sword 2 air-to-air missile, initially deployed on Taiwan's indigenous defense fighter, the Land Sword 2 evolved from the naval TC-2N variant. It now serves as a fully mobile, land-based interceptor designed for quick deployment and multi-target engagement across diverse threat profiles. Mounted on a highly mobile truck chassis, each launcher carries 4 ready-to-fire missiles. The system leverages active radar homing for self-guided precision and thrust vectoring for superior agility during flight, allowing for reliable interception even in high electronic warfare environments. With an effective engagement range of up to 15 kilometers, the missile can neutralize a range of aerial targets, including manned aircraft, drones, cruise missiles, and helicopters, under all weather conditions. The Land Sword 2 fulfills a critical role within Taiwan's multi-layered air defense network. It bridges the gap between shorter-range point defense systems and longer-range platforms like the Tian-Kung-3 and the American Patriot PAC-3 batteries. By doing so, it enhances protection of both strategic military assets and densely populated urban zones, offering coverage against massed attacks and swarm tactics, key elements in China's evolving aerial warfare doctrine. The May 13 trial was conducted at Jiuping Military Base and involved both the 43rd and 21st Artillery Commands. All 3 test missiles struck their aerial drone targets, validating the system's combat readiness. The event was integrated into Taiwan's Shingong, Divine Bao, military exercise series, which focuses on joint operations and crisis response. First introduced to the public at the International Defense Exhibition, IDX, in Abu Dhabi, the Land Sword 2 has drawn international attention for its adaptability and advanced features. Its design supports potential integration with partner systems, positioning Taiwan not only as a defender but as a growing player in the global defense technology market. Deployment plans include 6 full batteries with approximately 30 launch vehicles in total, a move consistent with Taiwan's post-1996 defense transformation, which shifted the national military strategy toward layered, resilient, and flexible defense rather than large-scale offensive capabilities. This shift parallels recent U.S. doctrine like the Replicator Initiative, which emphasizes networked and cost-effective autonomous weapon systems for future warfare. Against the backdrop of ongoing airspace violations and the PRC's regional assertiveness, the Land Sword 2 serves as a powerful new addition to Taiwan's defense toolkit. It not only boosts the operational capacity of the Republic of China Army but also sends an unmistakable signal of Taiwan's intent to defend its sovereignty through cutting-edge, homegrown solutions. The live-fire demonstration was more than a technical trial, it was a strategic message. Taiwan's investment in advanced indigenous systems like the Land Sword 2 reflects a broader vision, building a defense force capable of swift response, technological superiority, and unwavering deterrence in a rapidly evolving threat landscape.